Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to make shadow text effect in CapCut. For example, I will be add this white background template, and then I'm going to add text, default text, and change the text. For example, resize like this, and click the export. Click export. And then you can import that created. Select this project and drag here that's created, and then just click eBay and select this shadow in the party effect. You can find a shadow effect, just drag here, and here we go. You can adjust for this option. Okay, that's how to make shadow text effect in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and assure. Thanks. Bye bye.